The building industry is your home and the construction site your living room. But your software is complicated and a time eater? Then try HottCAD, the easy-to-use software for capturing building and component data.
Wow!
You don't need any special CAD knowledge. HottCAD is easy to understand, fast to use, and specialized in capturing even the oldest existing buildings. With just a few clicks, you have captured or created important data of your building project. Easy handling. Comprehensible 3D representation. Simple data transfer. Exact calculations. Fast results. HottCAD combines all this and supports you and your project partners in an optimal way. A structured data model in the background ensures that a lot of information is easily exchangeable via lists or interfaces and immediately usable for all participants. HottCAD is your game changer. Economical, fast, totally easy to use, and profitable. Create data, use them yourself, or sell your results and documentation to project participants or even the end customer. Ensure sustainable and profitable data availability of important building data. Make your daily work easier with an easy-to-use software. A useful CAD tool for the quick creation and transfer of building data. Built on and with HottCAD. Easier, faster, HottCAD. Your easy-to-use software for building capture.